know what separates dreamers from achievers? It's not talent, it's not luck, it's self-discipline. Every single day you wake up with a choice. Will you do what's easy or will you do what's necessary? Will you hit snooze or will you rise? Will you scroll or will you study? Will you quit or will you continue? Self-discipline is doing what needs to be done even when you don't feel like doing it, especially when you don't feel like doing it. Think about it. Your goals won't achieve themselves. Your dreams won't materialize from wishes alone. That body you want, it requires consistent workouts. That business you envision, it demands daily action. That skill you desire, it needs relentless practice. The truth is, motivation is fleeting. It comes and goes like waves. But discipline? Discipline is the steady current that carries you forward when motivation has abandoned you. Discipline is showing up on day 1, day 10, day 100, and day 1000. Successful people aren't successful because they always feel motivated. They're successful because they've mastered the art of doing what must be done regardless of how they feel. Let's be honest, self-discipline is hard. It's uncomfortable. It means saying no to instant gratification. It means choosing the difficult path when the easy path is right there, tempting you. It means waking up early when your bed feels like heaven. It means eating healthy when junk food tastes so good. It means working on your goals when everyone else is relaxing. It means staying focused when distractions are everywhere. But here's what most people don't tell you. Self-discipline gets easier. Every time you choose discipline over comfort, you're building a stronger version of yourself. You're training your mind to become unstoppable. So what will you choose today? Will you let your feelings control your actions, or will you control your feelings? Start small. Master one habit. Wake up at the same time. Exercise for 20 minutes. Read for 15 minutes. Build momentum. Because small disciplines repeated with consistency lead to extraordinary results. Remember this, you are not a victim of your circumstances. You are a product of your decisions, and discipline is the ultimate decision-making tool. The life you want is on the other side of the discipline you're avoiding. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop waiting to feel ready. The moment is now. Be disciplined. Be relentless. Be unstoppable. Your future self is watching. Make them proud.